In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Spotify desktop not playing music. If Spotify opens but your songs refuse to play, get stuck loading, or just do nothing when you hit play, don't worry. We're going to go through the most effective fixes in a simple order, starting with the quickest ones and ending with the final reset option. First, check your internet connection. Open any web browser and try loading a website. If pages are slow, not loading, or disconnecting, Spotify may not be able to stream properly. In that case, restart your Wi-Fi or router, reconnect your computer to the internet, then open Spotify again and test a song. Even a weak connection can cause playback to fail. Next, restart Spotify completely. Closing the app with the X button doesn't always shut it down fully in the background. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together to open Task Manager. Find Spotify in the list, click it, then choose End Task. After that, reopen Spotify and try playing music again. This helps clear temporary app freezes. If that doesn't work, log out and log back in. In Spotify, click your profile icon in the top right corner and select Log Out. Then close the app, open it again, and sign back in. This can refresh account syncing issues that sometimes stop playback. Now, check your playback device. Start playing a song, then look for the device's icon in the bottom right area of Spotify. Make sure the correct output device is selected, like your speakers or headphones. Sometimes Spotify is sending audio to the wrong device, which makes it seem like music isn't playing. Another common fix is clearing the Spotify cache on Windows. Press Windows and R together, type %appdata% and press Enter. Open the Spotify folder and delete the cache folder, then restart Spotify. This removes temporary files that may be corrupted and causing loading or playback problems. You should also disable hardware acceleration. Open Spotify, go to Settings, scroll down to Compatibility, and turn hardware acceleration off. Then restart the app. On some systems, this setting can interfere with smooth playback. If you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off temporarily. Then restart Spotify and test your music again. VPNs and proxies can sometimes interfere with Spotify's connection. If nothing has worked so far, reinstall Spotify as the final fix. Go to Settings, then Apps, find Spotify, and uninstall it. After that, download the latest version from the official Spotify download page, install it again, and log back in. If songs won't start, check your internet or log out and back in. If Spotify is stuck loading, clear the cache and restart the app. And if Spotify works on your phone but not on desktop, it's often a desktop cache issue or the wrong audio output device.